SWA Sabers review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. If you're a fan of collectible lightsabers or cosplay weapons, SWA Sabers is likely on your radar, but most people get this wrong by assuming all sabers are cheap or mass-produced. The surprising truth is that SWA Sabers offers a wide range of custom and pre-built options, with pricing reflecting craftsmanship and features. Basic entry-level sabers start around. Mid-tier models with custom lighting, sound effects, or durable metal construction range from. High-end, fully custom or limited edition sabers can exceed. Shipping depends on location, but is usually. Returns are accepted within 14-30 days, and custom orders may not be refundable. What you get: authentic, high-quality lightsabers for collectors, cosplayers, or enthusiasts. What you give up: instant availability on custom models, and sometimes higher costs for premium features. Understanding materials and electronics ensures your money is well spent. Here's how to evaluate. Step 1. Determine whether you want a basic or custom saber. Step 2. Compare features and prices with competitors. Step 3. Factor in shipping and potential custom fees. Step 4. Read reviews for build quality, sound, and lighting performance. You won't believe what happens next if you skip features. A saber may fail to meet your expectations for sound or durability. The surprising truth is that SWA Sabers delivers value for those who research options and understand the pricing tiers. In conclusion, SWA Sabers provides collectible and functional sabers at a variety of price points. By understanding features, customization, and costs, you can invest wisely and get exactly what you're looking for.